Hello, my fellow food enthusiasts. It's Hannah, your culinary companion from Blogging Good Food. Gather around because today I am unveiling a total game changer lightning fast methods to defrost a pizza dough. Whether you wield the spatula like a pro or you are a kitchen rookie, I have got some genius tricks up my sleeve that'll take your dough from frozen to fabulous before you can say yum. So, what are we waiting for? Let's roll. Method 1. Our first method is the cold water method. It's perfect when you are in a rush but still want your dough to thaw out evenly. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Fill a large bowl with cold tap water. Make sure the bowl is big enough to fully submerge the package of frozen pizza dough. Step 2. Before placing the dough in the water, ensure it's properly sealed in a Ziploc bag or tightly wrapped in a plastic wrap. This prevents water from seeping into the dough. Step 3. Gently place the sealed dough package into the bowl of cold water. The water should cover the dough entirely. Step 4. Let the dough sit in the water for approximately 30 minutes. After 15 minutes, rotate the dough package to ensure even thawing. Step 5. After 30 minutes, carefully remove the dough from the water and pat it dry with a kitchen towel. Now, it's ready to be used for your delicious homemade pizza. Method 2. Our second method involves using the microwave. It's perfect for those who are short on time. Let's see how it's done. Step 1. Start by removing the frozen dough from its packaging. Place it on a microwave-safe plate. Step 2. Set your microwave to the low power setting. This is important to avoid partially cooking the dough. Begin by microwaving it for 20 seconds. Step 3. After 20 seconds, take out the dough and rotate it. Repeat this process of microwaving for 20 seconds and rotating until the dough is soft and pliable. Be careful not to overcook it. Step 4. Once the dough is soft and thawed, let it rest for a couple of minutes to reach room temperature. Now it's ready to be used for a delicious homemade pizza. And there you have it, a lightning fast way to defrost pizza dough and satisfy those cravings in no time. For more tips, reviews on nifty kitchen gadgets, and tantalizing recipes, hop over to blogginggoodfood.com. Until next time, keep cooking, keep grinning, and keep sharing that food love.